So, today we will speak about how to really write a research paper so that it may get published in a very reputed journal. Now, when you feel for the first time to write a research paper, the first thing that you should look into is not to start writing all the way, but instead you must do some important things before even writing. So today I would like to explain a little bit about pre-works that you must complete before writing a research paper instead of altogether jumping on writing. So before writing a research paper, you have already got a topic in your hand. You may be wanting to write on a particular topic. Now, what you should do here is, firstly, you must go on to some websites where you will find other research scholars had already written some research paper on the same topic. If not directly related to your topic, but around your topic, there might be some research papers that had already been written. So you have to pick up those research papers, especially if you go on some websites like Google Scholar, ResearchGate, or Academia. You will find these papers over there. Or just if you type on Google search engine or Yahoo search engine or MSN, you will automatically get the results, some research papers written in your topic. Now what you should do, download or save on your computer at least 5 to 10 papers which are very closely relevant to your topic, and that this is the first thing that you must do. Secondly, get into reading some books if available in some library, or today nobody is going to library, rather people are directly downloading digital books in the particular topic. So you can download even digital books available in that particular subject or topic that which you are going to write research paper on, and save some 2-3 books besides research papers. Okay, so some 2-3 digital books, ebooks, or if available, buy it from bookshop or order from Amazon website the books related to the topic, or else go to the library and borrow some books. In any way, the second thing that you must do is read some books related to your topic. This is the second thing that you must do. Thirdly, go on to YouTube. There are plenty of teachings on YouTube related to your topic. Search them. Filter them with upload date or filter them with good reviews, and find out some 10 videos, or if not available 5 videos, and listen to those videos or audio available out there. These 3 are very, very important even before writing your research paper. And here what you can do, start writing after reading, after doing 1 week of practice. Read, get some idea, knowledge, make some short notes, or make some preparation. Do it for 5 days at least, and the next week you can start writing your research paper in this way. First of all, while writing a research paper, you must first find it out a skeleton. The skeleton of a research paper. Don't start all the way with abstract, introduction, or conclusion. Leave those 3 off. What you can do is, in the body, what you are going to write. So take your, you have already the topic. Try to get some subheadings within the topic, some probably 10 subheadings, okay, 10 headings or subheadings, whatever you may call. So for that 10 headings, decide how many words you are going to write. For example, if you write 1000 words for one heading, 10 into 10, how much? 10 into 1000, 10,000 words. We don't need 10,000 words for a research paper. Anywhere around 3 to 6,500 or 7,000 words is quite enough. So accordingly, you decide how many words for each heading that you must go with. So to say 500 words for one each heading. That's very easy to write, 500 words for one heading. So 10 into 500. So you will get 5,000 words research paper. So after making this skeleton, what are all the topics? Now if you ask me what are all those 10 topics, do not deviate those headings from the main topic. Now for example, this is a very simple example. Let us take mango. Let mango be your main topic. You are writing research paper on mango. So what are all the 10 subheadings I can keep? The first, without deviating the topic. This is very, very important. That's why I'm giving this example, without deviating. Taste of mango. This is the heading. So you will write 500 words explaining the taste of mango. Next, colors of mangoes. Third, types of mangoes. Fourth, different places where mangoes are heavily grown. So like that you go in headings, means these are all the things. I'm not deviating the main topic mango. In the same way, when you are writing research paper, you have the main topic and do not deviate the topic and go on with the 10 headings where you will write 500 words for each heading. That will make you 5,000 words great research paper. And you have all the previous knowledge from research papers which you have downloaded from Google Scholar, ResearchGate and Academia. You have the knowledge from YouTube videos which you have been listening and watching for the last 5 days. And you have read some 1 or 2 books out of 5 books that you have taken, downloaded or whatever maybe. You have all the primary pre-knowledge. And with the help of that, you create some headings and try to write 500 words for each. That's how you will finalize your research paper. You can get the right outcome from your research paper. And now here, what you can do, after writing research paper, you will need to search for a good Scopus Index journal or a good SEA journal or the journal which is reputed with good H index, maybe H index 10 plus. So that's where you can send. Please be careful and warned. Do not send your research paper to wrong journal. You will regret in the future. Once, twice, thrice take the advice of your superiors, take the advice people around you, check clearly whether it is indexed properly or not. Check whether is it a cloned or the original website. Check in the H index properly and do everything right research before even sending them or before even making a query with the journal. So this is how to write a research paper and publish in a great journal without making any mistake and making your paper high quality, well standing out from others. Thank you so much. Visit my website phdstudytips.com for more information and updates. Have a nice time.